Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Tesla wheel. Before you begin, ensure your Tesla is parked on a level, firm surface, and the parking brake is engaged. It is crucial to gather all necessary tools, including a sturdy jack, specific jack pads, a 21mm socket, a breaker bar, and a torque wrench. Remember to activate jack mode through your vehicle's touchscreen to prevent automatic leveling. With your tools ready, locate the 4 designated jack points on your Tesla, typically found near each wheel. These points are critical for safe lifting and protecting the battery. Insert specialized jack pads into these points to create a secure interface. Then, carefully and slowly raise your vehicle using a hydraulic jack until the tire is completely off the ground, ensuring stability throughout the process. Now, it's time to remove the wheel. If your Tesla has wheel covers or lug nut caps, gently remove them using the appropriate tool. Before fully lifting the car, use a breaker bar to slightly loosen the 5 lug nuts in a star pattern. Once the vehicle is safely elevated, completely remove all the lug nuts, then carefully pull the wheel straight off the hub. To reinstall, carefully place the wheel back onto the hub, ensuring it's flush. Hand tighten all 5 lug nuts. Then, lower your Tesla until the tire just makes contact with the ground, but the full weight isn't on it. Using a torque wrench, tighten each lug nut to 129 pound-feet in a star pattern. Finally, after driving 50 to 100 miles, remember to recheck and retorque the lug nuts for optimal safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.